Thank you for coming back to my channel for your stimulus check and stimulus package update. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And if you would, please share these videos out. First, I want to say thank you to everyone for your support throughout these months with the stimulus updates. You mean the world to me. You're more like family to me than most of my family. I do not take your subscription to my YouTube channel lightly. I cherish every one of you, and I want to give you a heartfelt thank you for all your support, and to ask you to please continue to support me long after stimulus is over. You all mean the world to me. I thank God for you. And this is not just my channel, it's your channel too. We're building a community here, and I just want to say I love you all. President Trump has promised to pass out stimulus checks very soon after the election is over. The Democrat leaders are saying Joe Biden will be our next president in the United States, and it makes more sense to wait until after the first of the year to pass out stimulus checks, when the Republicans will have less negotiation power, is what the Democrat leaders are saying. They're saying that they're going to wait until next year. We all are sick of the politicians playing games at the expense of the American people. On one side, we hear we're going to get a stimulus check right after the election. On the other side, we'll get a stimulus check next year. While one side is forcing the American people to wait by refusing to pass a stimulus package until next year, the American people are still losing their jobs, they are still losing their homes, and they can't put a decent meal on the table for their families. And while the American people are suffering, these lawmakers are living like rock stars on our tax money. Every night they go home to their fine homes and mansions. They eat the best food our tax money will provide for them. They fly all around the country on planes that our tax money paid for, and burning jet fuel that our tax money is paying for. They all have Secret Service with them because they know they are marked targets. They have the best of everything money can buy, and it's on our dime. And Nancy Pelosi has the nerve to hold the American people hostage until she gets Trump out of office. That is her whole plan. All of this stems from the hate that she has for the President of the United States, and it's just not right. Nancy Pelosi is now saying all the things that they are planning on doing after Biden takes office. But in her recent actions of not wanting to help the American people, and she does everything in her power to stop anyone else from helping the American people. I pray to God that she is removed from office. And on election day, I get to see her face when she realizes all the things that she has been holding the American people hostage with backfires in her face. And she'll go down in pure disgrace. And I hope it's captured and put on YouTube so I can watch it over and over again and laugh my innards out. This witch is pure evil and she has to go. Steve Mnuchin told her that the funding is sitting there ready to be sent out as stimulus checks. But Nancy Pelosi refuses to sign off on it. She is holding the American people hostage. Mnuchin said that Nancy Pelosi is not telling the truth, and he feels obligated to let the public know. Well, Steve Mnuchin, we already know this. Y'all, Steve Mnuchin's gloves are off now. He's ready for a fight with Crazy Nancy. And it's about time. The money is sitting there to help the American people, and she says no to it. She does not want to give the American people help. She does not want to give Donald Trump the slightest chance of looking like he done something, giving him a win before the election. It all stems from her hate from President Trump and her wanting him out of office. So she will sacrifice the well-being of the American people to get what she wants. I said it this morning, I'm going to say it one more time. There is a special place in hell for this witch. Y'all, they have sent all kinds of new language to her on the bill that she is demanding, trying to get her to agree on something, and she just simply will not agree. Every time they fix it, she finds something wrong with it, just so she can block it and not let it happen. So Donald Trump will look bad, and the chances of him being voted out of the office would be better in her eyes. Y'all, to me, it don't matter who you vote for, as long as you vote. You have to exercise your right and your duty as an American to vote and let your voices be heard. This evil woman has got to go. Her own party tries to get her out of office with no success. But you know who can do it? You and I. Our vote can get her out of office. I wish I lived in her state just for the election. Then I could move out. Y'all, this woman is pure evil. And she's not the only one. A lot of them has to go. I would say 90% of them has to go. We need new blood in Washington. And the thing that everybody has been wanting, and this fight has been going on since I was a kid. I remember when I was a kid they fought about this, is term limits. Y'all, we will never get a chance to vote on term limits. That will never happen because the politicians has to approve that, let it go to a vote. And why would they? It's going to get a lot of them out of office. So if we can't set term limits through a vote, then we have to set term limits ourselves and vote them out of office after they serve their term. We have had way too many years of lifetime politicians. It's just like on a job. You get an employee, like in the kitchen. I've seen it many times. An employee in a kitchen, they work there for so many years, they think they're invincible. They think they can't be replaced. Well, let me tell you, they can be replaced. And Nancy Pelosi can be replaced. Remember the days of Tip O'Neill? I miss that man. He was a cool guy. We need people of his character in that position. Because really and truly, that position holds more power than the President of the United States, which I feel is wrong. But it does hold more power than the United States President. Y'all, we have to get this woman out of office. one way or the other. She has to go. Y'all, please watch the video that's popping up here now. Please subscribe to my channel, leave your thumbs up, and leave your comments. And please know I love you all, and I thank you from the bottom of my heart for all your support, and please continue to support me. I know people are getting tired of stimulus. They're getting stimulus fatigue. So please come back at 10 p.m. every night and watch my Late Night with Walter. We don't talk stimulus there. We don't talk politics there. We just have good, laid back, easygoing fun. Please check it out every night at 10 p.m. I love you all. We will get out of this, and we will be better for it with faith in God. God will see us through this. I know He will, and He will make it so much better for us. He's preparing it right now. He has a plan, and He's going to reveal it to us. And I think it's going to be real soon. I love you all. Until next time, ciao.